What if I told you your body isn't tight because you need more stretching, but because you stop spending time on the floor? One of the biggest things that's held my mobility over the years hasn't been some complicated routine. It's just spending more time in positions, not forcing them, not turning into a workout, just casually exposing my body to positions throughout the day. A lot of stiffness comes from the fact that we simply stop accessing certain ranges as adults. We see in chairs, on couches, in cars, but there are positions humans used to spend more time in that our bodies still benefit from. And once you start reintroducing those positions consistently, your body begins to adapt. The first position is sitting on your knees. Most people completely lose tolerance here, but this can be great for improving comfort with knee flexion, stretching the feet and ankles, and improving big toe mobility, which most people lack. Now, if this feels uncomfortable, just sit back onto a pillow for support. The more height you use, the easier the position becomes. And over time, you can gradually reduce the support as your mobility improves. The cool thing about this position is you don't need to dedicate extra time to it either. You can literally just sit here while watching TV, scrolling on your phone, or hanging out at the end of the day. One progression I really like is placing the toe underneath you to work on big toe extension. This can feel amazing for stiff feet and plantar fascia tightness. At first, this position can feel surprisingly stiff. That's normal. Most people barely move their toes through these ranges anymore. The second position is hanging out in the 90-90. This is one of my favorite ways to improve hip mobility because it feels active without feeling exhausting. You can switch sides, rotate around, twist a little, lean forward, and just explore the position. Usually, your body will tell you exactly where you feel stiff, and if getting into this position feels difficult, elevate your hips with a pillow. That reduces the demand on the hips and makes the position much more comfortable. As you improve, you can start hinging forward over the front leg. That's where you'll really start improving hip external rotation mobility. If your inner knee feels strained while leaning forward, you can support the knee with a pillow. And when you come back up, try use your glutes instead of just pulling yourself upright. Small details like that make a huge difference. This doesn't need to become some long mobility session. Spend a few minutes here while working, hanging out, or just relaxing through the day. Your body adapts to what you regularly expose it to. And for most people, these are positions that simply stop spending time in. The last position is a deep squat. This is probably one of the most natural human resting positions, but for many people, now it feels impossible. A deep squat can help open the hips, improve ankle mobility, stretch the lower back, and just help your body feel less stiff overall. If your heels lift or you feel unstable, that's completely okay. Hold on to something for support. You can also elevate your heels to make the position easier. The goal isn't forcing the perfect squat, it's simply spending time there. Shift around, relax, breathe, let your body gradually adapt to the position instead of forcing it. This is probably one of the biggest mobility secrets I have learned over the years. The people who move well long-term usually are the people stretching the hardest. They are the people consistently exposing their body to positions most people lose over time. I will see you in the next one.